Siri, Apple's voice-activated digital assistant, is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Available on iPhones, iPads, and Macs, Siri allows users to perform a variety of tasks using simple voice commands. From sending messages and making calls to setting reminders and checking the weather, Siri can handle it all with just a few spoken words. To get started, simply activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or pressing the designated button on your device. Once activated, you can ask questions or give commands, and Siri will respond promptly. The assistant learns from your interactions, becoming more personalized over time. You can even customize Siri's voice and language preferences to suit your style. Siri integrates seamlessly with other Apple apps and smart home devices, allowing you to control music playback, manage your calendar, and adjust home settings effortlessly. Privacy is a priority for Apple. All voice data is encrypted, ensuring that your information remains secure. For those looking to maximize their experience, Siri also offers advanced features like shortcuts for frequently used tasks and offline functionality for basic commands.